Animals' uncommon behaviors. This family bears goes on a summer vacation. See how they enjoyed their swimming and go home at peace. This dog's reaction is priceless when they go see the vet. This dog bounds with excitement while in the waiting room of the vet clinic. They came to the vet hospital so that the debris from his ears will be removed. But this time the debris was removed from his ear. That's why he bounds and bounds, because of happiness he feels. This dog's habit is to scare its owner. Every time she goes upstairs, see this dog's unbelievable behavior. This time it changed its place, so that it will never caught by its owner. See what happens. Swimming together with an outnumber of tadpole. See, and you will be amazed of this 10 of thousands tadpole. This fox really needs comfort from humans. It really loved being hugged by its caretaker. This dog is waiting for its dream toe, a tennis ball. See how excited it is for its toe to shower down. See its reaction when his owner poured down all the tennis ball from above.